Flash. Our room is ready. There was no wait. I don't know what Jesse's doing. Taking us to our room. Here's an awesome store. Ice cream. Whoa, this is for story time? Wow. Guys, come on. Nate, Savannah, we gotta go to the room.
Come here.
Can you turn it on, the light?
What's the light? Oh, here it is. Turn it on. Whoa! The nighttime. What's this?
I'm Savannah. That's your bed. Down.
Oh, wow. Monkey, can I go on the top first? Yeah. And Savannah, look, we got our own TV. Look it, right there. TV? Savannah, this is your bed. Right here.
Isn't this fun? Savannah, let me get that bracelet, please.
Just put it on for Savannah.
No, I think that one's mine.
Cause
It's marked, yeah, with a dollar sign.
oh. I don't want to sleep. Here's the oven in the
There.
top.
Cool cabin.
In the top. Savannah, that's your bed right there. No, here.
Oh, cool. It's a treasure chest.
That's your bed right there. Savannah, that's your bed.
Show your paw pass.
Wolf pass.
Oh, wolf pass. Woohoo.
Under me. Under me. No, I want to sleep. I'm so excited. Savannah, let's unlock it. Actually, it's already unlocked.
Maybe it doesn't open. It probably doesn't, guys. Watch your toes. Savannah, what's that? The lamp?
Yeah,
What do you see?
a wolf.
Yeah.
A TV.
Right there.
Mommy, look at it.
Their window. I know, I see.
It's a movie.
Someone's very
Savannah's so excited.
So cool. Savannah's bed, her beautiful mural, her own TV, Marky and Nate's bunk beds. You can leave it there, Mama.
Mommy, it was like this. It was like this. Over it. Yeah, I think you hit it too hard.
Leave it there.
Oh yeah. Mommy, I'm leaving it. Let go. Mommy, let me want to do this. Oh my God.
Ooh, almost. Oh, I'm standing on it. Woo! Now Marky's turn. Oh, that was close.
Look at this. It had a nice curve. Man, that was a beautiful curve. You saw that? Savannah. Nate, I hit it. I was right here. This one. Nate, I hit it. I was like this. Shoot it like this. Let it fall.
Go, baby. Oh my goodness, you're supposed to tap it. Okay, Papa's gotta take you guys golfing. Be very careful. Hold on. Hold on to the rope. Take your time, puppy. Marky, wait for your brother. Nate. Do you want to do it or no? Because look at the rest of it. Can you go? Can you just stay with him, please? Thank you. Julia. 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 Mikey, don't do that. I don't like that. Look at it. Mikey just says I'm really fast. And then please make it late. I insisted on doing this. I was not. There you go. Nope. Too high. Focus on what you're doing, babe. One of my other sons coming. Never ever again.
Still doing it.
Nope. I want you guys on solid ground. My other son's right there. Turn around for me. My baby face. You're right there, but I'll get you.
Our friends, the Beaver brothers, Tooth and Nail. Tooth and Nail are different as brothers can be sometimes, but both enjoy building things with the logs they get from trees. So everyone, we're gonna pretend that we have tools or we're beavers, and we're gonna chomp down a tree. You ready? Okay, now go faster, faster. Go, go, go. Perfect. Did you just chop down a tree? Oh my goodness.